Where are the alien bases located in the ocean? We're going to show you a map. You will see all the alien bases located in the ocean and all the alien bases on our continents. I've made 2 movies. First movie that talk about the origin of the alien bases and the landscape 250 million years ago, and how the landscape have changed and how they have built the alien bases on that moment. And the second part of the movie is about the alien ocean bases. I go to public now the second part. The second part is immediately about the ocean bases. I explain you 20 minutes where all the locations are from the ocean bases, and maybe you will understand a little bit more what is the impact from this infrastructure on our planet. Some alien bases are created more than 8 million years ago, and some bases are created 3,000-4,000 years ago. So you have different alien bases from different origins. You must know also all these alien bases are not from the same alien civilization. We have more activities from different alien civilizations on our planet. I will explain you a little bit more in detail where all the ocean bases are located. This is the total network for the alien bases on our planet, with the subways, with the underground subways, with the ley lines. The ley lines is the magnetic fields, how they use it to travel from one place to another place, and it catch you also all the stargates on our planet. That means the stargates, what they use for big vehicles, space, aerospace vehicles, of the stargates, star doors like we name them. They are doors that can bring you from one place to another place. This is the total network from the alien bases on our planet. And we go now to go more in detail with you in these maps. See, first here we have all these pyramids in the ocean. Now if you go to look more in close detail, we'll see on this Earth Google that we have different lines on the ocean bottom. Now like here, you see also here that it's not natural formations, because it's moving. You do 90 degree, do it back again 90 degree, you go down, second one, and so on. So that is not natural formations. See here very good the crossways on the bottom from the ocean. There are straight lines. One line, second line, like these strange formations, you see? Now, all these formations on the bottom of our ocean, I've put lines on it, small lines, big lines, and so on, to make the difference between the lines. So if we do this, we come on the following network. We receive nearly a total network street from the past. Even ancient walls we see even also around. Now if you go back to these pyramids are also in a formation from old streets. Now, if you go to put everywhere these lines, we come on a structure that we go to see on the bottom from our ocean, with all different lines. Now, what you find first, the big head subways, I name them. Why head subways? Because these lines are much bigger than all the lines on the ocean bottom. And if you put these together, you receive a crazy line what's going from Greenland to one of the continents from America. This line stop here, but you see two lines what's going out this mountain here and travel by coincidence through these pyramids, the Bermuda Triangle, go total down of under this continent. The funny one is this near South America. You see these lines, these two headlines coming to one point, and by coincidence on the other side from the continent this line is continue. And now it's coming very interesting because this line continue from South America to come here to an anomaly. They are here, all these white zones are, so it's coming here on this and it's continue to South Africa and continue here. How the line continue, for how the subway continue all to Australia. And he enter in Australia on the west side, and on the east side he continue total back again to South America. Head subways that connect all the continents to each other. Why these lines, structures, and do 90 degree and again 90 degree? If you see this from a point of view from Antarctica, you see that the subway is totally around Antarctica, and there is one line from this alien base what's going through Antarctica. There's only one entrance by the underground subways to Antarctica, and that is by this place. And if we put after all the network, we see the head subways and all the little subways of side subways in that network. Put these lines together, you come after in streets, like here, see very good our streets. And I name it myself the Poseidon alien base. This is here for sure on Poseidon alien base. Well, a little bit farther you have these antennas, the underground pyramids also in the ocean, and so on. Here also go under the continent and continue on that way. Even to connect North America with Europe, you go travel over, past the old Atlantis continent even, come on the Hercules, continue and stop in Mount Epomeo. So now in total what we have put already from layers, we have first put Bermuda triangles, we have put Atlantis on, we have put the big subway lines and the small subway lines, and we receive a crazy map. The blue lines, like you see here, they are connections that I've made myself, because these lines stopping here. Now I've continued these lines to see why they end. So you come on the Devil's Mountain, pass nearly Area 51, and this one you have a really subway from Area 51 to Mount Whitney, and if you connect, it's connected on this line. So we begin with America. First we have on the east side from America all this infrastructure what is next to the continent from America, and it's a big military structure. If I was one president of one of the countries, or even from America, I was really concerned what's happening next to us. And I don't think even that not even Pentagon, CIA have even a clue of idea what is happening in our oceans and in the inner earth from our planet. Maybe only high-ranking persons will know it, but it is really a crazy concern because you have the Bermuda Triangle and you have all this structure what is created next to the continent. And if you connect subways on it, you have a crazy subway network around our planet. Now it's coming very interesting. Now we're going to put the alien bases here on the map, what is on our continent. There's an extra layer from information from a total other source. If we put this one on our planet, we receive this. Let's begin with America. First, on the east side, we have a big alien network. Now, everything what you see in red is genetic alien bases. While there's a little cross, that means that is a normal alien base for education center, government centers, and so on. But everything what is red is genetic alien bases. Now, by coincidence, I find one day a map from all the Bigfoots and Yetis in America, and if you put this map on the layer map from the alien bases, you receive the following result. You see all the reports in America from the Bigfoots is situated around its genetic alien bases. You receive this. And by coincidence again here, there are also a lot of genetic alien experiment bases. You find again the Bigfoots what people have seen. And I'm for sure if I have the map with the layers from the Bigfoot of strange creatures in Mexico, we will find also back again with these genetic alien bases that there is a lot of activity. There are more genetic alien bases for experiments on our planet than normal alien bases. So let's come back to the alien bases. First, we have on the east side from America a big part of the alien bases. We have in the west side also, where is also Area 51. Area 51 is situated here. You see also how they are connected to each other. There is nearly 100% sure that all the alien bases around Mexico are also connected with these alien bases on the west side for America. For South America, we talk now only about the alien bases that we know specific the locations. Genetic alien base, again genetic alien bases. All the activities, what they do there from each alien base. You see also in the Andes an outer range of the alien bases, Pumapunca with the Titacana Lake. We have Machu Picchu, we have the Nazca lines. They're all situated in the garden, let me say, from these alien bases. I name also this alien region, the Variosa clan, what is situated here. Many people asked me for Africa, where are the alien bases for Africa? We have no information where they are exact situated. That there must be, yes, for sure, because if we find on all the other, if we find on all the other continent alien bases, we need to find it also in South Africa. For sure, if we look the connections from the subways, activity in South Africa, because it's really a connection way of connection point in the subway network. For sure, here also the same. We come near Ethiopia and so on. Here is a big activity from alien network of alien bases. That must be for sure. everything what is around the Nile and the ancient technology, what they have done in the time in Egypt. You see, it is everything very, very close to each other. We know the story from the Dogon legends from Africa, Atlas Mountains, so everything is very close. There need to be a very, very big activity in Africa. We have not information. For Europe, we see in the Scandinavian countries, also a few genetic bases are situated. Old legends from sea monsters near the continent again is also to protect the alien bases. For this we find in legends and in old testimonials from navigators, from sea navigators, that there was reported different monsters near this place. Like here, around Iceland. Everything is linked to a story, these legends and so on, so really accurate. Again, in Iceland we have one of the alien bases, but back again with one of these legends from sea monsters. Why? To protect these alien bases. Because people are afraid from all these legends and so on. For this we have always these monsters. Like the Lake Michigan. Also we have the Lake Ontario monster, the legends. Oh, the area, the Turtle Lake. Why it's coming from the turtle reptilians. One of the important communication centers is in Bismarck for them, but communicates for sure 100% with the Poseidon base. I say near Devil's Tower is Big Timber. Big Timber is one of the head communication bases from America or from their network. Alaska. If we take the triangle from Alaska, again, we have on these points 2 alien bases. In Brooks Range is a genetic experiment base. Philip Smith's Mountains and Mount Greenough, Mount Hare and the Mount Saint Elias, connected with Dewey Reservoir. So you see again also around this Bermuda Triangle we have a lot of alien activity from alien bases. For sure here under these 2 continents is a big alien base. Why? Because also again all this network from subways that is connected. So there we have also big activity. Around the North Pole, if you look, because there are the Russian alien bases. So you have on both sides, you know, you see, you can say on the east side you have alien bases, you have on the west side alien, middle from the North Pole, you have the Mount Meru as a symbol, one of the spiritual mountains, and access to the inner earth. And there is a security alien base, army alien base. Don't forget, the most bases what I talk about are army bases. A lot of genetic alien bases on the continent and a lot of army bases and cities under the ocean. In the ocean again, we have big formations of anomalies in the ocean, what is certainly big structures what they have made under our ocean. Near Kumarikadan, one of the old legends like Atlantis, or from India, find back again these alien structures. They're also very good, all their entrance. And if we end with Antarctica, we have 3 alien bases. They are nearly in a triangle, nearly in the middle, near the South Pole point. Good. The layers, what you find back first, the brown layers is the layers really from the continent. You have the old rivers that we have found back. And here is very interesting. This zone in Antarctica is no-fly zone. Okay? And very interesting, one of the subways from the alien bases come in this zone. And here we have a military base, a secret military base. They have made everything blur that you don't see it, but you see very good. There's some depot places here. So we have here one big military base next to the enter of the inner earth. That's not so far away. This is an human military base. This is an alien entrance to the inner earth on our planet. So the base is 350 kilometers away from the entrance. It is the only mountain range where they have built military installations. This is our human military base. Not so far from this military base and the middle point from the inner earth, we have area 122, where also the pyramids are from Antarctica. Also on these points are alien bases. On this point are an alien base. Here we have found also an alien basis. And to go in their planet. The question is, are they allowed by the aliens to settle them there? Yes, I think that they have some agreement to settle them there. I cannot go so far deeper in all details, but that gives you already a quite idea what for alien network we have around our planet. And that, I can be honest, it scares you a little bit, you know, what infrastructure that they have around our planet. So the question is, need the aliens to visit our planet? No? No, guys. Elon Musk, where are the aliens? They are here, the aliens, under your feet, guy. You look to the wrong direction. You need to find it here. Here you find your answers, not on Mars. Mars is to survive, but here you find your answers. I hope you was enjoying the tour on this map, and hopefully we see you next time.